Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about how to apply for University of Pavia scholarships for session 2027-2026. These CICOPS fully funded scholarships are for international students, and this is a research fellowship which will last for 3 weeks, you can say, or you can say this is a research internship or exchange or summer program. You can consider this. There'll be a joint research project between your home country to the host country, and both professors will coordinate each other so that you spend 4 to 12 weeks at University of Pavia, allowing you to join one of the programs. So we'll discuss in this in detail. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel for scholarships. If you are here for the first time and have not subscribed, please do subscribe. If you already subscribed, just share and like this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. You can see all the scholarships are posted there. And link for this University of Pavia Italy scholarship is given in the video description below. You can see the fellowship link will be given in the description of the video or in the about section of the YouTube video or about section of the YouTube description. You can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmlook.com and you can also join our Instagram scholarship group where do we share links directly so that you easily apply for them whenever we post anything. And once you are on the website, you can see host country is Italy. These are the program overview details. University of Pavia is the host university. This is a research fellowship, and the duration will be 4 weeks to or 1 month to 12 weeks. Then the funding will be fully funded. Number of scholarships will be 8. It varies from course to course, and deadline to apply for this program will be 10th of June 2026. So this scholarship will cover airfare, meals, accommodation, health insurance, and stipend, along with the living expenses. So these details you should consider applying to this program. Uh, just email to the professor first, match your research interests or your internship interest or your work experience interest, and coordinate between your home professor to the Italy Pavia University professor so that you easily get the offer letter or the opportunity. And weekly stipend of around 150 euros will be provided, and there is no application fee. The stay must take place within the periods of 11 January to 24 July 2027 and 6 September to 18th of December 2027. So you have to apply. If you apply today until July, you can go. So it varies depending on which you apply. This CICOPS scholarship aims to promote international academic cooperation, support joint research projects, and yeah, this is one of the best opportunities, I will say, for the research students. And this will enable scholars to conduct research in their field and collaborate with different professors, access to labs, library resources, and what will be the criteria. So be from a developing country, have at least 2 years of research or teaching or education experience, be or in any of the current programs, you can say, or be affiliated with the university or research institution, and not be enrolled in any Italian postgraduate or PhD program, and obtain an invitation letter from the Pavia University professor. So that's the reason you should email first and then apply for this. So once you get official letter, that's it. Start the application by click on this link here. Open the link here, and once you open that, it will open the Common Committee for International Cooperation and Development, University of Pavia, and you can see the call for application is right now open, and deadline, each detail is there. You can see fill out the online application form link is given here. Click on this link here, and once you click on that, for the first time users, you can translate this to English language, and for the first time users, you can click on new registration here, enter a username here, create a username, email, confirm email, create a password, then your name, last name, gender, date of birth, citizenship type. So then leave this blank, and state of birth like your country, and leave these two blank and agree to terms and conditions and click on new registration. So I already have registered here and I'll use the same details here. So let me refresh this page here. Here I have username and password that I have created, and then I'll click on login here. Now you can see details regarding this. So new submission, click on this new submission here, and now you have to fill all these sections one by one. First, let's go to person information, like your name, gender, date of birth, country of birth, place of birth, citizenship mentioned as per the passport, then email, and then the permanent residence country will mention here. City and town you have, address and street number, then postcode, and then click on save and proceed. After that, personal professional data, name of the institution where you are currently enrolled, so mention the details about that. Position title, it can be PhD, it can be MSc, BSc, whatever you are enrolled in. Teaching experience you have, like you are in the third year of the program, so you can mention 2 years of previous research or teaching experience, or the program you are enrolled in. Number of working experience, you can mention that, and mother tongue, you can mention the language, so you should mention that here. Then other languages, you mention that, click on save and proceed. So after that, main research areas, mention the research topic you wish to work on, current research activities, past research activities, and the relevant publications if you have any. Then submit that details here, click on save and proceed. Then the contact person or collaborator at University of Pavia, you can check out different faculties where whom you have contacted, or the one who has given you the acceptance letter, mention his name here. Number of years of collaboration, you can mention that here. Department where you wish to opt for, you can submit that here. And the joint research project title you have agreed to, and proposed number of weeks, so we'll mention like 8 weeks. Proposed date of arrival, so you mention that here. For example, we'll go with the uh, July 1st 2026, deposit July, August, September, so from July to August 31st. Here we mention proposed area of research, you can mention title of that, and any special request you have made to professor at the University of Pavia, you enter that. Now let's submit the invitation letter, and after that your CV, this should be in the Europass. And then publications, if you have any, you can submit that, and any other documents you wish. Then click on save and back to dashboard. So there you have the information. Once you are ready, click on save and back to dashboard here. And now let's go to home page here. Application ID has been created, so you can see manage your applications. Now let's translate this to English first. You can verify details here. Anything that you wish to edit, you can do that once you are ready. So you can see one of the documents, there is some issue. For example, final submit, if you hit, you can see application cannot be submitted following reasons. So you need to record at least one element, so we go back to one step, and let's edit the application here. Go to attachment section. Okay. If you have publications, you can submit that. If you don't have anything, okay, we'll just cancel this here and cancel. Rest, we'll click on save and back to dashboard. Now let's verify details. So we are ready. Go back and click on submit. You can see information here. Click on submit. And with this, the application should be submitted now. You can see application ID by full scholarships for call CICOPS scholarship 2027 has been successfully submitted. Let's go back to home section here and check the Gmail as well for the confirmation. There you go, application submission confirmation. So what is the key point here that we need to learn is the communication with the professor prior to submission of this application, because you need to have the offer letter or email exchange, any confirmation from the professor, then only you can submit this. Because you both agree to the terms and conditions, you both propose a title that you need to fill here information. So you collaboratively submit information on a get it on a Word document approved by the host as well as the home professor. Then only just copy paste the information, submit documents, that's it. And your proposal should be very strong, title should be very strong, having the connections to both universities, and your application will be only then successful. But this is one of the best opportunities. Most people hesitate submitting in this opportunity. You should not hesitate, just submit this opportunity. Any confusions, ask us in the comment section. Visit our website fullscholarships.net. That's it for today. Hope you love the session. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.